Earn on subsidiary projects $70 every day. We will acquire on the resale of traffic starting with one site, then on to the next. Your profit will rely upon what sort of publicizing inventive you make, the number of tests you that run, and on which locales you promote. We want any of the free format configuration apparatuses like Snappa. Yet you can likewise utilize some other comparable help.
1.
You can make plans for different informal communities in it. So we pick, for instance, a layout for Instagram, and we can totally change everything in it, even the actual foundation. The layout will then should be chosen for our proposal to get consideration. Since it will be a standard on the site, the aspects can likewise be redone. In the event that there are severe prerequisites. 2. Member program. We take a member aggregator yazing. We register, go to one of the offers, and take a gander at its sufficiency, so it doesn't seem to be a trick. You can likewise really look at the actual space, for instance, how old it is, and track down surveys. On the off chance that all is great, we take the proposal to work. You select a layout for the proposal from one stage and duplicate the connection, which is smarter to abbreviate it, for instance, through a similar bit.ly to screen the transformation insights. 3. Traffic. Presently, we have continued on to the most fascinating. Choices without connections. There is such a site as Pinterest. On this site, profiles gather a huge number of perspectives and preferences. Even more so, you can travel through pins, hashtags, and connect a connection straightforwardly to a distributed photograph. You don't need to abbreviate it. You can likewise utilize YouTube Shorts. Or on the other hand, the notable variant of TikTok, from which to prompt Pinterest or Instagram, in which your offers will be outlined. Simply brief recording some way or another imaginatively show destinations every which way and naming their highlights. 4. Likewise, on the off chance that you have a site with visits and intriguing articles are distributed there, then you can sell promotions there, regardless of how dull and clear it might sound. Choice with connections. Valid, from speculations you want just 50 cents. As a general rule, for this sum you can purchase 1,000 impacts on a site with a large number of impressions. Instances of such destinations incorporate ad clerks. On it, you can sell and purchase publicizing space on any site, which can be furthermore checked so the measurements are not overrated. 5. It is like automated revenue, as a matter of fact. We made creatives, purchased promotions from the main cache, and you are on a little recurring, automated revenue. Promotions bring individuals. One of them purchases something, you get a commission. Involving just the introduced destinations for work is a long way from the breaking point. Use analogs that you can find through a customary Google search. I'm just a text-based AI, so I can't subscribe to channels or interact with content on platforms like YouTube. However, I can offer advice on how to grow your channel if you'd like.